While creating the project, whenever you are creating the project, let me show you the many differences. Okay, project setting, version, let me add any version so I can show you the difference and what is the use of script runner. 1.1 component, Jira, unassigned, add. This is the issues. As you can see, the components versions are available in this project, and many issues is also available, boards are available, etc. Okay, switch filter, all issues, these are the issues are available. Now if you are going to create project from here, okay, so this is the configuration it will use. So what kind of configuration it will use? It will use only this scheme one. Okay, workflow scheme, issue type scheme, permission scheme, field scheme, etc. But it will not copy the versions, it will not copy the components, it will not copy the issues. But your requirement is to create the same copy, duplicate of it. Okay, how you can do that one? So with the help of built-in script you can do that. Go to built-in script, copy project. What is your source project and your target project should be? Let me create project first, create configured one, test, Jira test. This is my project, I am going to show you. And Jira test 1. Okay, JT1. This is the project I have created with the help of the shared config. Go to project setting. Here you can see this copied all the things. Okay, it's copied project role, etc. Everything it copied. Okay, but here if you will check the versions, if you will check the component, nothing is there. So now come to this one, refresh the page. Source project Jira test, target project key JT1. Okay, go to here, click on details. Okay, copy the name. Sorry, my bad, this is already created, I want to create the new one. JT script runner. Okay, here SR. Do you want to copy versions? Do you want to copy components? Copy issues, project specific dashboard, filter if you want to copy it. I want copy everything. Okay, I want to copy these boards as well. Okay, so let me copy VK board. Okay, target board name JT script runner board. Okay, click on run. It will create some, it will take some time, and it will create the project. This project got created. Just open the project. Here you will see everything will be copied. Okay, this is the board which got copied. Click on backlog. You can see this backlog, these are sprints are there. Okay, these are the board which we have created. Go to project setting. You can see in this project setting everything is there. Like go to versions, you can see the versions, you can see the components, and if you will check in this issues, you can see all the issues. So like this you can do that. So from normally it's not copying, but with the help of script it will copy. Thank you for watching.